Imagine this, you want to invest in the stock market, you know investing is important, but then the big question hits you. Which share should I buy? Should it be Reliance Industry, Tata Consulting Services or Infosys? Now what if I told you, you don't have to choose any stock at all to start investing. You can begin just rupees 500 and still grow your money smartly. That's the power of mutual fund. Why beginners feel confused? Let's be honest. Most beginners don't avoid investing because they don't want to. They avoid because they feel confused. And that's completely normal because picking the right stock requires time, research, and experience. So the real question becomes, how can beginner invest without stress? That's where mutual fund help. Now, what is mutual fund? A mutual fund is basically group investing. Many investors put their money together and that pooled money is managed by an expert called a fund manager. Instead of investing in only one company, the fund invests across multiple assets like stocks, bond, gold, and different sectors. This means your investment is spread across many opportunities. Simple example. Imagine 10 friends want to invest but they don't know which stock to buy. Each person contributes 1000 rupees. Total money is equal to 10,000 rupees. Now a professional fund manager invests that money in strong companies like Tata Consulting Services, State Bank of India, SDFC Bank, Infosys, Dr. Reddy Laboratories. These are just few examples. Now, instead of depending on just one stock, your money is diversified across multiple companies. That's why mutual fund provide a ready-made diversified portfolio, which help reduce risk. Why do people invest in mutual funds? Here are some key reasons. Easy to start, no expert knowledge needed. Lower risk due to diversification. Start with very small amount, even 100 rupees through SIP. Potentially better return than saving accounts or FDs. Benefits from the power of compounding, regulated and professionally managed. If you want to start investing in mutual fund in a simple way, begin your journey with mastertrust.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.